Go to sleep.
Look at the state of it.
Trust in me. Go to sleep.
Oh, good grief.
Should we go the other way?
Meet the guys. That's Yoda. Yoda! Hey, Yoda! Busy. Lily. Star! That's beautiful Star. And this is her mum, Bella. That's Honey. 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 She's 14. And that's Merlin. Merlin. He's 14 as well. She's waiting her turn for the food. What you doing? What you doing? She's hoping that Merlin doesn't eat them all, aren't you? And when he moves, she won't let him back in. Will you, honey? Honey. Honey bunny. Honey. Oh, look at watching those biscuits, aren't you? Bella. So that's meeting the family. Lily. Lily. Hello, Lily. You can't have finished already. No, you haven't. Oh, look at Bella. Hello, Bella. Hello. Oh, she's had her food. Haven't you, Belle? Easy good girl. Easy good girl. Very content, aren't you, Belle? Good girl. It's a good girl. Can't really see from that angle. Get your beautiful eyes in. Oh, she's a good girl. Oh, look at Star. Oh, hello, Star. Sleep time. Sleep time after food. Hello, Star. She's a beautiful girl. Oh, it's a tummy rub. It's a tummy rub. Hello, Star. Look at the baby. Oh, she's gorgeous. Star. Look at the baby. Oh, she's so gorgeous. Aren't you, baby girl? She wants her tummy tickled. Star. She's not pinching your food. They've had their own food. That's Honey. Grumpy old girl. Oh, look at Merlin. No, not you. Not you. Star's trying to get in on the action. Lily Loos. Ah, look at Lily. They've got their own bowls, as you can see. It's Lily's. And that's Yoda's. This'll wake them up. Oh, look, look. Bella's waiting to have a go. Lily wants it. Oh, Bella, Yoda. Oh. doll's come to see me, haven't you? Hello, baby girl. She likes to sit by me on the back of my chairs, making it hairy. Hairs. Look at the hairs. Yoda's checking out all the bowls. Lily loves Yoda. So I've got this pet kit fountain. It is the one with the app where you can control it, because I found the other type of fountain, they didn't like the bit in the middle, and this one, it's just perfect. It's really good. It's got a stainless steel inside to keep the water cooler. Oh, oh. Oh, Lily's got it. Oh. Oh, Lily's got it. She's killed it. Oh. Oh, that was a big jump. Bella, Bella. Wow, he's got it. Star. I'm gonna have marks all over the ceiling. Oh. Oh, they're so fast. These two. Wow. Oh, good grief. She nearly had it. Right, let's give you some crunchies. Not having much. You've already had your breakfast. Lily. There you go. Hello, you. Hello, Merlin. Merlin. Not for you. Some for Star. And some for Bella. Come on then. Equal rights. Isn't it, Merlin? Equal rights. It's a new toilet from Britpet. The hooded sieve tray. It's working out quite good so far. I have to take the lid on and off quite frequently. They seem to like it anyway. Start. Oi! Oh, look at that. Oi, stop. Off, off, off. You. She's so greedy. She's like a bottomless pit.